Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here with another goodie from Spellbinders. It is Stitchmas Christmas. Ooh, what is that? Meaning that in their new release, there is also some fabulous stitching dies. I was sent one to play with. I currently have the ornament one in my cart. There's another background one, but I was sent this one, the stitched petal diamond background. Love, love. And it is a two-piece, meaning this is the drop-in, that's the outside edge. It is a full A2 card, meaning 4 1/4, 5 1/2. So the reason why they would give it to you as two pieces without that cut edge defined is if you wanted, let's say you wanted to make a long running panel, or you wanted to turn this into a slimline, that type of thing, or for some home decor project. This would be fabulous. But this is just a super cute die set. I will put links below to the Stitchmas Christmas and also links for their other collections in the new release. There's like about 5 collections in total, or 4 collections. It's all good. Alrighty, let's get started. With my stitched petal diamond background, I made this card. I turned it into, again, I told you I am working on my ready to go birthday cards. And I didn't stitch everything. If you notice, all these corners are opportunities to stitch. I left them blank. But I think it turned out really, really cute. And I found some pink metallic thread. We're going to do a little sidebar on the metallic thread, okay? But here is the DMC pink metallic thread, which is sort of this mauve color. Love. And I think when I had stitched the pink, I was so excited when I got it in the mail. I couldn't find it in the store. Had to get it online. Came and I was like, oh, I'm using the pink and I'm going to make pink Christmas. And the next thing I know, I did it as a birthday card instead. So cute. So it is pink. What's the name of it? What I want to tell you guys in my little sidebar before I go further into this card. Spellbinders does sell, see their name right there, Card Shop Essentials, Essential Metallic DMC. I bought this from Spellbinders, and the first color I used was this one. Love, 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 love. It comes with these beautiful metallics, this silverish white metallic, standard gold, copper, and bronze. What I realized with this metallic set, I don't know if somebody had sampled them, just like how I'm learning now how to sample all these different types of metallics. The DMC brand, their metallic threads are not all the same type of thread. I've used all 3 colors. Haven't used the copper yet. And you can see I'm still keeping the package because I just love this set so much. These stitch well. So I didn't have a problem stitching with these. This one was starting to get on my nerves, the pink. I'm not going to lie. So when you feel the thread, this one just feels a little different than this. And this frays like crazy. See, it's there fraying. This one, fraying, not as bad. If you can even see right there. They're all metallic, all by the same company, but they're like different grades with the colors. The worst offender, white. Oh, avoid this one. If you don't want to give up on stitching and you want to give it a try, I did this in the white. I was like, oh, never again. I don't like this at all. It unravels. You tie it. It does a lot of stuff. But when you feel it, it feels even different than this. So the white is the one I would say, if you did buy metallic, save that one for when you become much more proficient at sewing. These are the easier ones to use. And I will put a link for this metallic bundle because this whole 4 set seemed to work very smooth. This one was testing my nerves. Yeah, she was testing my nerves. So as you can see, I did 4 sets. I certainly wasn't going to continue. I was like, no, forget it. But if I didn't tell you that, would you have really noticed? You would have just thought, that's just decorative. Yes, it is. Super cute. And on each center, I did use Spellbinders Fashion Silver. Love, love. I used the large ones here, then the small ones here in the center of these. This now, that is coming back to Spellbinders, this metal. I love this color. Here's a close-up of it. It's just so good. I don't know what the color is called, but I'll find it and put it here on the screen because I know it has a name, but it is super duper cute. Just love this color. Kind of like champagne, but not champagne, but silver. And these, 2 seconds. This, testing my nerves. Then here, this now is a die set that I believe I got at scrapbook.com actually. Essential labels. Love. I will put a link. Hopefully scrapbook.com still has it in store. I'm not sure if Spellbinders still carries this one. I'll put a link for both if they both have it. Essential labels. Super duper cute. The largest label, 5 1/4 by 4. Okay. I used in here this label with the dots. I put the insert in it and did that. And then I put the birthday. This birthday coming back again. Ready to go birthday card with the Yana's layered script sentiments. Just so elegant and beautiful. Oh, with the shadow and then the word. Look how it cuts so nice. I'm telling you, whoever did this engineering, kudos to you. You really lined this thing up so well that even when you use it with the glimmer version of it, it just cuts beautifully. You're not wasting anything. You're not losing anything because it just lines up precise, very precise. Love. Have I done the happy yet? I haven't done the happy, but I keep doing the birthday and the thanks. Then I put it on a pink card base. I found a pink cardstock to match back to the thread. And then put another base here to match back just to keep it this white pink. And I did a double layer too on the birthday. You see that? This birthday, the script, that's all using Sizzix adhesive sheets. Yeah, for sure. So that's card number 1. I am currently working on card number 2. This one will be the Christmas. See, the white thread turned me off so much that I'm now using white floss. This kind. I think it's called Blanc. Blanc. So that's white floss. This was super easy to do compared to using this. Cute, but And then in here, I used a blue thread, which, I still need to finish it up. See it here on the edges? Got to finish up sewing up this color and putting in again. Look at the circles with the little pewtery thing. So cute. So you'll be seeing another card when this one is done in a Christmas theme. But this one, birthday theme. Love this. Stitched petal diamond background. All sorts of goodness. Alrighty, crafters. So I just wanted to show you that if you are getting frustrated with the metallic, stick to this colorway. You'll be a happy camper. Especially this one. This one here was my first one and it's still my first love and it's still my love right now. Love this color. If you're not too much into the metallic, then you can go here with just a regular floss. Fabulous. The price did raise a little bit in store. It was 50 cents a floss. Now it's gone up to 60 cents a floss. 10 cents more. But I will also put links at Spellbinders because Spellbinders has taken some of these floss, like 6 to 8 of them, and kind of done a color coordination just so you don't have to go to the store and pick out. There is roughly in store 300 of this, different colorways and different shades and different this and different that. It can become overwhelming. And Spellbinders tries to bring it back down. They also sell the needle and that metallic pack. That's just out the door winner right there. Also, crafters, I am going to do a tutorial on this. Just have to set aside some time because I know for me it's going to be a long video. I can tell you already because this is going to be an amateur teaching an amateur. But I am going to do a tutorial for how to stitch. It will be with this kind of floss. The metallic I will go over lightly. To work with the metallic, you just have to have one hand holding while you're stitching. That's how I do it. Because everything has to be pulled a little bit more taut with this. It'll unravel easily, the metallic. That's the only drawback with using it, but I love the result. Oh yeah. What I did want to add, because I know I had introduced you guys to the stitched alphabet, and a few of you were like, okay, I'm going to give it a try, because that's a good intro into getting into the stitching on paper. What I've also realized that when I've had a really long day, and stressed out, but I know when I'm stressed out, that's the best time to craft. But then when I'm crafting, it's like the mojo isn't there. That's when the stitching comes in really handy. Because when you're stitching like this, Spellbinders gives you the direction. So it's like you are doing something and stitching, but actually it's not so much concentration, so much input, because this die does a lot of the work for you. Whether you're using an alphabet or this, it gives you the direction. So it's like, I wouldn't say it's like coloring, because coloring you have to think about with shading and everything, but this, it really is relaxing and fun and not too much thought. You can make it as simple as you want, or you can start going into as complicated or even more complicated, which I love. Options and fun options. So if you find that you are in crafty ruts and you want to try something new, this would be a good avenue to start at. The backgrounds, these take longer. Take your time doing it. Spread it out over a week and just do a few bits, stitch, watch a little TV. Yeah, this is very relaxing and is crafting without being stressful crafting. Alrighty, crafters. So until the next video, expect to see another Stitchmas Christmas card from me. This one birthday, but next one Christmas. And I'm going to do another one too in traditional colors. Yeah, the reds and the greens. Oh yeah, definitely. Alrighty, crafters, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.